Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the garage, and welcome back. Well, no, we're going to do something a little different tonight. So, we should be working on the race truck because we are down. We have to do some modifications for our deck plate setup and all that. But there are other modifications that need to be made to our racing setup. But they actually don't involve the truck. They involve the race trailer. So, as you guys know, we got our 48-foot race trailer. We took it down to Tennessee for Rocky Top, and it was actually the perfect event to have this thing because of all the issues we had. But that being said, we had some issues with the trailer as well. Our issues were certainly not trailer performance-wise, like getting there or getting back or traveling. Nothing to do with that. But more of the interior of the trailer. So we have modifications we need to do to the garage side, to the interior, all that. But with us having to work on our drag truck through the night to swap a converter out, fix our brake, all that, and also we helped Mr. Cody Fisher out with swapping a converter. There were some issues that were found with the race trailer. So inside of here, you know, it's just a normal little living quarters that you'll find in a race trailer. It's nothing special. You know, it's obviously like 20 years old, dated, but we found some issues with using it. The one we're going to tackle tonight is the bathroom. So we have our toilet, we have our sink, we have our shower. Our issue stems with our shower. So as you can see, it is a corner shower, and it is rather small. So our big issue with the shower is size. So I am 6 foot tall, 200 pounds. This is I guess they consider it a 25 by 25 corner shower. But it is at an angle, so it is cut off. But as you can see, just standing here, I am up against the shower curtain. I'm up against the wall. It's very cramped. This was an issue. Now, down in Tennessee, definitely appreciated being able to take a shower at the track and then just go to bed, you know, when we were working till odd hours in the morning. But this was just plain uncomfortable. So, yes, it's tight, but then when you think about it, now I need to get my shampoo. I need to get my soap. We're trying not to get water all over the trailer. We got our shower curtain here, you know, in the way. It's just a tight situation. So that's what we're going to resolve. We're going to make our shower space bigger in the trailer and make it just more like you're at home. So that being said, we have a larger shower coming. So that way we can make the room accommodations. But part of that is, do we really need a sink here in the bathroom when about 2 steps over here we have a sink in the kitchen area? I don't think so. So we're going to get rid of the vanity, the sink, the medicine cabinet. We're going to get rid of all that. Maybe the medicine cabinet will move over here. Not really worried about that right now. Main priority is the shower. So our goal is to get this shower out tonight and kind of deconstruct the whole bathroom situation. So when our new parts arrive, we can make it larger, make it just better so we can get a real shower at the racetrack. So I know this is a little bit different content than we normally do with the race truck, but anybody who's going racing is going to need a race trailer. Any of the videos you look up, well, let me go back. You don't need a race trailer. You can do this on an open trailer. We've done it, but it's a pain in the butt. Having something like this just makes things way more convenient. So we're going to make our convenience even more convenient and just a better like living situation for the weekends we are there. Most of the videos you look up on YouTube and stuff for this kind of content, it's all RV stuff. Everybody's doing RV stuff. There's a whole like RV community that I didn't even know existed. Well, this is going to be the race trailer version of that. Basically going to take some tips from RV people, you know, see what they did. And also my buddy Bodie down in Texas. Bodie, as soon as he saw we got the trailer, he said, look, you need to go check out this build thread I did on Comp D and how I changed my shower around. And we're basically going to follow his footsteps in putting a larger bathing area in our bathroom. So that's enough chitter chatter. Let's get to it and rip the shower and bathroom stuff out, other than the commode. So yeah, let's get to this assembly. Well, as you guys can see, it is the next day and our bathroom is out. So as you can see, our tub is in 3 pieces. So, or our shower setup, I should say. I just kind of got mad at it and started ripping things in half. It came apart fairly easily. Yes, I should have just cut the base off or whatever, but it just worked. I was just in that, I was in the zone and started ripping at it. It started to crack, and here we are. So got that all out, and if we go into our trailer, we have some work in here yet to do. So we have to clean up, obviously, the mess. Have to get rid of this shelf that was there. We're going to have to modify some things because obviously we are not going to need the sink piping, the shower piping. It's all going to need to be modified for our new shower set up. That way we can have it just right. I think our drain will be just fine. It all kind of drains back over here to a central drain for our gray tank, so that won't be an issue, but we'll need some PVC stuff and all that, but really not that big a deal. I'm hoping. Got some cleanup to do up top here, got some like double-sided tape and whatnot. We may have to build a wall out. There's just a bunch of stuff to do. We have this outlet that we got rid of. Gonna have to get some wire nuts and get rid of that. Also our generator switch. So this is a generator switch in the living compartment to turn on and off our generator. We're going to have to relocate that. All this kind of stuff that we are going to have to do. It's not the biggest deal in the world, but we just need to get it ready for when our new bath setup comes in. So that way we can have a functional bath that is appropriate for like a full-size adult. Like I said, don't really need that sink in the bathroom because we have one like 2 feet away in the kitchen. So we are going to maximize that space, and there's a gnat or something on the lens. We're going to maximize that space so that way we can take a good shower, because when we're going to these events, let's say 50% of the time, we're probably going to be working on the truck, on maybe helping a fellow competitor out, whatever. We're going to be dirty. We need to take a good shower, just, get refreshed from the day. So that's where we are with the race trailer. I know this is a little bit different. Nat's back. Well, anyway, it's a little bit different content for the channel. I hope you guys like it, because if most of the videos you look at on YouTube are RV people, they're not doing race trailers, but it's the same basic concept. Yes, an RV is typically bigger because they don't have this big garage section, but it all kind of translates over. You just got to figure out what works and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please like the video, subscribe down below. We're going to have more race trailer content. We will be doing a full renovation of the living quarters eventually. after race season. So this is just one of those things that really annoyed me when we were at Rocky Top, and since we're down right now, perfect time to get this one job done, and we will do the full renovation later. So once again, hope you liked the video. Subscribe down below. Catch you guys in the next one. Get out in your garage, get the wrench on your truck or your race trailer.